Pipe cutters for cutting HVAC line set, which is a copper line, something along this line here. One has a large one and a big one. This copper line set, this copper cutter, be sure to get a good one when you buy these, because whatever the name brand you choose, from wherever you choose, but a good name brand. And once you put it on here and you just rotate it. But one caveat, when rotating this, be careful you don't try to get in too big of a hurry, because you will turn it a few notches and rotate this. Turn it a few notches and rotate this. Say if you were cutting this, or even more importantly, on a small. I'm not sure if this is a quarter and this is 3/8 or half, somewhere thereabouts. But notwithstanding, so just get you a good set of copper cutters, put it up there, get the copper up there, wind it up. Don't try to bite it too tightly. Just barely do it beyond so it makes a snug. Make a couple rounds, slowly tighten it again. Slowly make a couple more rounds. Slowly do it again, make a couple more rounds. Then you can get it, but you don't want to leave a lot of burrs on the inside, or deburr it if you do, or say for instance on the inside of the high pressure line or the low pressure line. So try to, if you have a little deburring tool, you may want to try to get that out. But do get a good quality. If you go get the cheap cutters, they will aggravate you, and you will get a haphazard cut and jagged. But get a good quality, even if you have to pay 20, 30, 40 bucks more to get a good set of pipe cutters to cut this copper pipe for your line set, whether it be your low pressure, which is this line, or your high pressure line for this line. And again, be very gingerly. Now keep in mind, if this is down near the ground and this pipe is not movable, you may have to get a smaller one, a very smaller one that will actually, so this doesn't hit the ground. But in the same principle, do the same thing with this. Just tighten it just a smidgen, rotate it a couple times, tighten it just a smidgen more, rotate it a couple more times, and then at this point, then you should notice it start to bite, and you should have a clean cut along this lines here. And so if you have any burrs on the inside of here or whatnot, try to deburr it, and just